is up, everybody? I'm here to teach you guys a Unity tutorial on how to export to HTML. I'm going to be doing more Unity tutorials as I learn more and more about Unity, and if you want a tutorial on something else, message me in the comments section below. So first, to start off, we're going to open our file and then build settings. If you haven't already, add the current scene or whatever scenes you're using. Next, we're going to go to web player, switch platform like you would. And then what we're going to do from there is simply build. Now you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name this test HTML build something boring and press save. I'm just going to replace the old one and it will compile the game. Okay, so now we have our folder. And we're going to open this up, and now we have two documents. We have our HTML document and our .unity 3D document. So your HTML document has all the HTML programming that pretty much displays the web player. As you can see, if we go to player settings in our build settings, and we come down to resolution and presentation, we'll see something called web player template, and this is pretty much the HTML document. It displays the web player. So if we go back, we're going to need to, you don't need to, but a lot of websites, if you're going to upload it to a website, because you use HTML in a browser, you're going to need to have an index.html file. So you might get away with having this whatever named you want, but I found on some websites like GameJolt, and if you want, I have a game uploaded on there. If you guys want to try it out, a link will be in the description. But a website like GameJolt, you need to have an index.html file. So what we're going to do is I'm going to double click this, and I'm going to rename it index. No matter what, just name that to index. Next, we're going to compress these two into a zip file. So we're going to drag over both of these, or what you can do is you can press Command and select both. We're going to right click, or if you're using a trackpad, press Control and then click, and we're going to click compress to items. What this will do is this will give us an archive.zip. And so this is our zip file of both the index.html and the test, the name of whatever your game is. So from there, we can simply rename this, and I'll just say game. And then from there, you can upload this .zip file, and it will have the index.html file in it. So now we're going to switch over to Windows. Alright, so now we're over on Windows, and sorry for the crappy quality, but I don't have a screen recorder. So as you can see, we are going to add our scene into the build. We're going to switch the platform to web player, and then we're going to build. Select the folder, and yeah. And yes, I'll overwrite it. Okay, so now that we have our folder, we're going to double click it, and as you can see, we have the same HTML file and the .unity 3D. So again, we're going to grab both of these documents. Actually, no, sorry, we have to rename the HTML document. So we're going to rename, and then this already has the .html ending, so we're just going to name it index. Okay, and there we go. Alright, so now that we've named it index with the HTML file, we're going to grab both. We're going to send to, and then we're going to say compress zipped folder. And then it will give us this folder. We can rename it. So I'll say game. And then this is the folder we're going to upload to whatever you're going to upload to. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. From there, you pretty much just take your zip file or zip folder, and then you upload it to whatever website you're going to do. So thank you guys for watching so much, and bye.